back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in
The Acura Performance Manufacturing Center PMC Edition represents the pinnacle of Acura's craftsmanship and engineering excellence. These special editions are meticulously handcrafted at Acura's dedicated PMC facility, where skilled artisans meticulously assemble and finish each vehicle. Built by NSX master technicians, Acura PMC Edition vehicles are hand-built in the Performance Manufacturing Center by master technicians. The PMC is where every NSX is made, and where these very special cars come to life. Concept where innovation lies. The Performance Manufacturing Center is at the intersection of technology and human ingenuity. A 200,000 square foot purpose-built manufacturing space, it houses a hand-picked team of the best Acura technicians from around the world. This facility produces each and every NSX, and now every PMC Edition vehicle. A higher quality of precision. Every part used in building an Acura PMC Edition receives meticulous attention from our master technicians. To ensure the highest level of quality, only a limited number of each model are produced. An authenticating Acura PMC performance emblem marks your model-specific number. Hand-built by the masters. The PMC is equal parts studio, laboratory, and manufacturing facility. An open, dynamic space, where humans work in concert with robots to meticulously craft each car. It is the place where inspired dedication is turned into innovative processes and impeccable design. This airy, pristine workspace is the pinnacle of precision-crafted performance.
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.